Gates open, they're up and racing. You belong to me, brother Barak. Didn't waste time at the start, now grabbing the early lead and moving up to take second on the outside. Is entry number 5, Queen's Prayer, running alongside Mamika as they head towards the last 800. It's Brother Barak in command by about 3 lengths. Queen's Prayer is in second, Mamika racing in third, followed over by Salinas. Running on the outside, Senorita Monique. Then comes Lord of the Sun by the rail, All My Life, followed by Security Spirit. Then comes Glass Cockpit. Running third last, Len, You Belong to Me, second last, and Stormtrooper is in behind them as they turn to the last 450. Brother Barak is still leading the field, and the rider Jackie Jesse Basilio Guse is still with a double wrap in front, and this time increasing its marker to about 8 lengths with the last 150 more to run. Brother Barak is still on its top, leading the field by about 6 lengths, and finally from the stable of Mr. Hermes Guerra, Brother Barak. Second, Security Spirit. Then comes number 5, Queen's Prayer, close with Salinas, Lord of the Sun, and number 1, All My Life.